last day of Vermont whitetail rifle season 2018. We've hunted hard this year. Seen the ghost a few times and watched them on the cameras, but we haven't had the chance to take a whack at it. We're gonna head down to the old blind, have a sit, see what today brings. We've still got muzzleloading and late bow season here, so there's a whole nother season ahead of us. Worst comes to worst, we'll sit down and we'll ponder and reflect on what we might be able to do better next year on the hunt for the ghost. Stay tuned, folks. You're watching. Well, folks, that was pretty cool. Got some fresh tracks on my way in here to the blind. Walked right up on 4 deer. 3 of them I could see very well. They were all doe. The last one, he kind of kept himself in the woods a little bit, and then they kind of walked away. No flags or anything. Maybe it's a big buck. We're gonna sit tight, get quiet, see what happens. It's a little rainy out here today in Vermont. Snow isn't as crunchy. Counting down the hours. You're watching Ghost State.
Welcome back, folks. Today is the last day of Vermont 2018 rifle season. You're watching Ghost State 02. We appreciate your support. We appreciate you watching. We've been out here working real hard for you. We've let a couple buck go by. Again, it's not just about the killing, it's about the hunting, and we've kind of been hunting one deer in here. He keeps showing himself during the day and at night on camera, so we know he's around here. He's just smart. We've been hunting this same deer for 3 years now. But today, folks, it is 33 degrees warmer than it was the other day. My gosh, I dressed a little too warm. Had to break down a little bit in here. Break it down. And so here we are, folks. We're on the hunt. We just had 4 doe go by, waiting for the big one to come behind him. They were just kind of walking through over in here where they like to walk. Stay tuned, folks. You're on the Buck Goes Down episode, Vermont. Ghost State 02. Well, folks, here we go. The last couple hours, 2018 rifle season. We're sitting on the bank overlooking the bottom of the property. Right over there is a road, neighbor's property, and that thick stuff. Family land goes down to about the thick down there. And we're sitting here giving it a go. Where does a man or a woman do some of their best thinking, folks? Can you think of a better place? Get away from the hustle bustle. Listen to what nature's trying to tell you, folks. Some days it's, y'all ain't gonna shoot a damn deer, but I hope you had a good hike. Breathe in some clean air. Get yourself a little healthier. Get off that couch, get out of that chair. Get out and wander around, folks. Stay tuned, it ain't over till it's over. You're watching Ghost State 02.